So I bought this Drake R4V from a guy on eBay. I paid way too much for this thing. I actually just wanted the power supply, really. This is what I needed to run my equipment. So I got the power supply I wanted. This got damaged in shipping and the fuse got blown off it. The whole thing came apart. This was in a very small box. This came out okay. I'm happy with the actual RV4. The gentleman packed it well as far as, well, he didn't use much for packing, but it didn't suffer damage in the front. So I was really happy about that. Except, this came by, and here's one of the feet. Okay, so this is one of the feet, and, well, it looks like it's still good. What do you know? Or is it? Yeah, somewhat. So this must be the fuse holder. And sure enough, this is the fuse holder that was on the power supply, and there's the grommet for it right there. So those bits go to the fuse holder. Okay, so now I want to repair the case. You can see that here's the case for the RV4, and there's a bend right there. So I thought the best way to do that would be to use perhaps this pick handle. This thing is fiberglass, and so if I could just get this onto that bend, maybe that'll work. So let's give that a try. And you can come along with me and see what happens. Good, bad, or mediocre. All right. I'm looking at the case here. I think, yeah, I'm looking right through it, which is in itself somewhat interesting. So there's the bend right there, and I'm going to try to fix it. So let's see if that'll work. Get my fat feet out of the way here and put it on like that. Pressure. Oops, that's not going to work, is it? I guess you'll have to see my ugly feet. Sorry. Give it a little push. It's still there. Another push. Still there. That was a pretty good push. Am I making progress? It's still got a bend, but it's less. All right, let's give it a good thump. And it's going down. It's not perfect yet. And maybe I can't make it perfect like this. Maybe that's better. Oh yeah, it's going down. I would rather push it hard. I felt something move there. Whoops. That might have been too far. Nope. That's really weird. So, looking at this bend here. Let's see. Here's the bend. Did I overcorrect it? Maybe, yeah, I think I did. It looks like I overcorrected it. This goes straight, and it goes up. It looks like it's kind of suffered a downward slope, and then it goes up violently. That's crazy. So the more I think of it, I want to push it this way. This might be beyond my efforts tonight, at least, with my brain working all day at work. Well, anyway, it's a shame that it got knocked. I guess we'll have to read up on how to straighten this stuff. Okay, well, RV4 cabinet has suffered damage. And this is not the way to fix it, although that may have worked a little bit. I think it did actually. So it seems like it slopes down. It needs like a push right there. Yeah. Would that fix it? I doubt it. Let's see what it looks like this. So how does that look? Yeah, it still seems like this is the guilty party right here, although it seems straight. And that whole thing got, okay, yeah, you can see where it's been moved right there. Maybe one good whack will do it. Let's try it. I'm going to try to whack it, like put the thing over this whole bar and see what happens. How's that? What do you think of that idea? So there's the case again. Looking right through it. 6 minutes of video so far. Let's give it a good solid thrash. Alright, there's the guilty party right there. So does it feel like it's rising or what? Yeah, right about there. Which is weird. I'm still not convinced that'll fix it, but okay, if I hit it right here, let's try that. It looks like the impact was there, but let's try it here. That's where it should go. That's better. It's not making much difference at all. That's just too hard to bend. I'd probably overbend it here. Yeah, I'm going to give that some weight on it. Just really hit it. Not with force, but with my body weight. Let's see if that'll do it. That's all I got. All 217 pounds of me. And what did it do? Well, it did bend it down. And it does look a little more normal. But now it looks a bit distended. So I gotta hit this with up there. Oh boy, yeah, you can see here where it's been fiddled with. It was probably better before I touched it. But hey. Okay. Well, that worked out well. Maybe, maybe not. Well, it's almost reasonable now. So it's a lot better than it was. It's still not perfect, but it's better. And you can see where this little foot is also been bent a bit. So I'm going to apply pressure inside there by that foot with this pickaxe handle. Right there. Give it a grunt. Oh, there. What did that do? Well, The foot is still not straight, but it's looking better. Okay, so what do you think? Here it is. So beginning picture and the end picture. It's a little better, I think, than it was at the beginning. I guess I'll review the video and see, but that's it for tonight. No more of this. Okay. Thanks for watching. Again, this is straightening a damaged Drake R4V case that came in the mail. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.